Hey y'all, so yeah, I'm dancing and having a good old time, but today I'm really about to make some gluten-free pancake mix. And I like to start out with my King Arthur bag. I got that huge bag at BJ's for like $9.99, and it lasts pretty good because I use it to make pizza and everything too. But anyway, I generally use about a cup of that, and I'm using like a half a scooper right now. And so I'm going to put two of those in there so it can be a full cup. And normally I use my canning jars, but this is like an old pasta sauce jar. That's why it doesn't fit and I'm making a whole mess. And I'm still going to keep on videoing because things happen. Anyway, so I put that in there. And as you can see, I have my sugar and I think I put about a couple teaspoons in there, maybe one or two, because I don't want it real sugary. If you want, you can always add, other flavors you like, but I add a little bit of baking powder to it. Yes. Um, Now generally I don't add dry milk, but this time around I'm going to add the dry milk to it. And I don't have a lot, so I'm gonna put a little bit of that, and then I'm gonna put a little bit more in there. So that's probably about 3 teaspoons or so of the dry milk. And to finish it off, I add water and I mix it some to get it started. And then, of course, I add some more to it. And you just pretty much continue to add water to make it to your liking. So I generally try to pre-mix some pancake mix for my daughter so she can make her some pancakes when she get up, or if I decide to make them, I'll already have a batch available. And this is what I try to do to make sure that there is something always, some type of breakfast always readily available. So as long as you have those essential items in your home, you will be able to continue to make those available, because I was spending a lot of money and I was getting a flour that was like $20. It went up to $20 and I was like, no ma'am, we're gonna mix it using some gluten-free flour and we're gonna make it work. So yeah, this is me listening to. I think I'm listening to Avant's last album, what the album he released during 2020. I think it's called "Can We Fall in Love." Girl, anyway, I love it. Anyway, so you can always use something else to get in there really, really good. But I'm just gonna use the spoon, and I will probably have a few clumps, but I can always take it out, put it in a bowl, whatever. I just wanted to have it available already pre-made. That way I don't have to work so hard when it's time to eat. Work smarter, not harder. See y'all later.